Good morning, my name is Michelle. I'm a reference librarian for the Johns Island Regional Library. Today we're going to talk about honeybees. Did you know that a third of the food that you eat is due to honeybees? They're really important, and there's a sharp decline across the country and the world for honeybees. So we're going to meet with a local beekeeper and talk about their importance and some interesting facts about them as well.
Hey, I'm Diana. I'm a local beekeeper here, and I have these hives here in my backyard. It's been a great learning experience to learn about what kind of flowers they pollinate around the neighborhood. These bees here right now are actually having some orientation flights, so they're learning where their hive is via the direction of the sun, so they can get back to home at the end of the day, and they don't get it confused with the hive next to them as well.
You can see the bees here doing a waggle dance, which is a form of communication. The bees are fanning. One thing they're doing here is controlling the temperature and humidity in the hive. Here, the queen has a blue dot, and you can see she is carefully laying eggs.
Bees out foraging in nature, they're actually not aggressive at all. The only time these bees are aggressive is if I go into the hive, and even then they're not very aggressive unless something is wrong. Aggression with honeybees is indicative of something being wrong in the hive, and as a beekeeper I need to be aware of that and be able to look out for potential signs of pests or problems with their queen.
Honeybees really love this powder puff mimosa, which is naturalized to this area. You can see the pollen gathered on their little pantaloons.